I had just lost my job and I felt really stuck and trapped. I wish I had a crystal ball, but I was encouraged to use my intuition. My intuition led me to a vision of me becoming a personal coach. At first, I thought it was impossible, but others encouraged me. They thought it was possible. I had some life skill, but no degree, and the computers I had lots of struggles with. This created many fears. How can I do this? I also did personal development work, and it was like I was coming out of water with new awarenesses. I started to believe in myself and become more confident, and I was encouraged. I am really grateful for my empowerment from others, and I would love to be able to do that for you.